Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Unit 2, Forces and Vector Analysis. Today, we will explore about the concept of forces and mass as the key concept in engineering science. Topic Learning Outcomes. At the end of this subtopic, students should be able to define force and describe effect of force to the objects. What is force? Definition of force. Force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from object's interaction with another object. Formula of force is F is equal to M multiplied with A. M is the mass in kilogram and A is acceleration in meter per second squared. Pulling is the force you exert to move something closer to you. When you pull a block, it moves towards you. While push is the opposite of pulling. Pushing is the force you exert to move something away from you. When you push a block, it moves away from you. So, what is the effect of forces? Force can make the object move. As an example, an ice hockey player uses a force to move the hockey puck. A force can change the direction of a moving object. As an example, a volleyball player uses a force to move the ball in a different direction. A force can make a moving object to speed up. As an example, a cyclist uses a big force to pedal her bicycle and increase its speed. A force can stop a moving object. A baseball player uses a force to catch the ball and stop it from moving. A force can change the property of a material. A baker uses a force to change the shape and consistency of his mixture. Concept of mass and weight. In terms of the concept, mass is measure how much matter in an object, while weight measure force of gravity on the object. Unit for mass is kilogram, while unit for weight is Newton. And to find weight, we have to use the formula mass multiplied with gravity. For measuring instrument, if we want to measure mass, we have to use electronic balance or weighing scale. And if we want to measure weight, we have to use spring balance. Mass is constant for a body and does not change with location. It stays the same everywhere. But weight is not a constant. It changes from place to place depending on the gravitational acceleration in that place. Let's clear up a common confusion. Mass is not the same as weight. Imagine you are holding a 10 kilogram dumbbell. That's your mass, the amount of matter in the dumbbell. No matter where you go, on Earth, the moon, or even floating in space, its mass stays the same, 10 kilogram. But weight is a different story. Weight depends on gravity, and gravity is not the same everywhere. On Earth, gravity is strong, so the dumbbell weighs about 98 Newton. Go to the moon, where the gravity is weaker, only about 1/6 of Earth's, and the same dumbbell weight only around 60 Newton. It feels much lighter, but the mass is still 10 kilograms. And in space, far from any major planet or moon, gravity is nearly zero. The dumbbell is almost weightless, but still has mass. So, Remember, students, mass is constant. It never changes. Weight changes depending on the gravitational pull. That's why astronauts float in space. Their mass is there, but their weight nearly disappears. I hope you can understand about the concept of forces and mass. Thank you.